Let's look at the changes to OneDrive inside the new Teams. I'm in the new Teams and down the left I have a new icon for OneDrive. When I click that, it lands me on my recent documents, and here's a summary of all recent files across all the Teams that I've used. I can put a filter on to just look at Excel or just look at PowerPoint files. A nice way to access any recently accessed documents. To access OneDrive proper, I need to click into My Files. These are my private files. No one else has access to these. And we can see by default they are all listed as private. To share a file from here, go to the three dots and click on Copy Link. I'm going to copy the link, and now I can share it into a team site or into a chat. I'll go into a chat and press Ctrl+V to paste the document. I can change the permissions if I want to before I press Send. I might like to limit it to people just currently in this chat who can access the document, and I can make it review only, or I can change it to read only. I'll click Apply and then Send. Let's go back to OneDrive and back to My Files and into that same folder, and I can see that that document has now been shared. At any time I can jump into the word shared to open up the Manage Access screen, and I can click Stop Sharing.